How to reconcile your accounts in YNAB. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the Accounts tab from the bottom bar. Here you will see a list of all your connected accounts such as checking, savings or credit card account. Reconciling your accounts in YNAB means matching the transactions in YNAB with your actual bank records. This ensures your budget is accurate and up to date. To start, open your account you want to reconcile. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Reconcile. YNAB will show your current account balance according to your records. Now check this against the actual balance shown in your bank or financial statement. If both balances match, tap Next, they match and your account will be reconciled successfully. If the balances doesn't match, enter the correct amount and hit Next. YNAB will help you find the difference and correct it. You can review your transactions to check for missing entries, duplicate records or incorrect amounts. Once you find the issue, edit or delete the incorrect transactions or add any missing ones. After that, hit Next again. And once the balance matches, confirm it. Try to reconcile your accounts at least once a week or whenever new transactions are added. This keeps your budget clean and reliable. Now you know how to reconcile your accounts in YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.